Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel after a very long time. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do two-digit multiplication. Started with addition or subtraction, but I decided to do multiplication. And so let's jump right in. So first, to solve a two-digit multiplication problem, you need to learn your multiplication facts. If you already have them memorized, or if you already know them, you will easily be able to do this. And this might look backwards, but when I look at the screen, it looks backwards. So first, when you multiply two-digit numbers, you need to start with the first digit. This digit, the ones. So, in this case, I have to multiply 2 with 2. So you go up, and then you go here. So first, 2 times 2 is 4. So it ends with 4. And 2 times, now you do 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. Because you need to first do 2 times 2, 1 times 1, the ones times the ones, and then you do the the tens times the tens. So you finished with the ones. So I normally, if it's like on long multiplication, I would just put a check mark here. So I put a check mark on the ones place. So now you do the tens place. And you might think you would do 10 times 10, then the tens times tens, then you do the ones times ones. But it's the opposite. You do 1 times 1, the ones times ones, and then the tens times tens. But where you put the digit is you put it right here instead of here. So you do 3 times 2 and put the answer right here below the 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And then you do 3 times 3, which is 9. And then you add these two numbers up. So 64 plus 96 is less than the answer of 32 times 32. But there's a gap right here. There's nothing here and nothing here. So there's going to be an extra digit because of this and this. So first you do 4 plus nothing, which is 4. Then you do 6 plus 6, which is 12. So you put the 1 here, then the 2 here. I don't know if I showed you write the 2 here, but if you didn't, that's not really a big deal. Then you do 1 plus 9, which is 10. And there you have it. 32 times 32 is 1024. And you write it like this. 32 times 32 equals 1024. And the 4 might look like a 9, but it's not a 9, it's a 4. And if you think writing 32 times 32 is too much, you can write 32 and a small 2 above it, which means 32 squared, or 32 to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 32 times 32. So you can write 1024 here. So you might be wondering if this was like a 6, what would you do? Would you like put it up here like normal, and then you multiply this, then this? No, I have a problem that you need to put a number up here. And this is the problem. 36 times 16. So first with 36 times 16, you do the steps. The same steps. But it's a little different. 6 times 6 is 36. You put a 3 up here and then a 6 down here. So, it's 36. And now you do 6 times 3, which is 18. Plus 3, 21. And why I didn't do times 3 is because if I did times 3, that would be too much, and that's not how you actually do it. So the extra number up here is you just add the extra number. So 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. So now you do 1 times 6. 1 times 6 is obviously 6. And you put the 6 in the tens place. And after you put the 6, you do 1 times 3. But do you think you should add the 3? Well, if you said yes, you're wrong. If you said no, you're right. Because if you add this 3, it's not right because you did it from the last digit. So what I would do is either erase it or just cross it off. And you don't need to add anything for this one. So 1 times 3 is 3. And now you add 216 with 36. 216 plus 36 is 576. And the answers on the back of my paper say that it's right. And let's solve another problem. 16 times 36. I think it's if I said 16 times 36 last time, then we're gonna solve 36 times 16. But both of them is the same answer, because if you reverse anything in multiplication and addition, you get the exact same answer. So these are both 576. And if you try to do it with this, you wouldn't really know which one is the first 32 and which one is the last 32 because they're the same thing, and you can't really do it with the same number times same number, or you can't do it with squares or cubes or just those stuff. And so that's it. So thanks for watching. Bye.